Hello again. Today I'll post the video where I fitted back the pistons. So now you see me that after I clean the pistons and the piston rings, now I use that engine assembly oil. You can use a normal engine oil, you don't have to use this stuff. And yeah, I put the oil on the piston rings and piston bolts. And now I prepare the cylinders with plenty of oil. I'm gonna tell him oil, I'm not gonna tell him oil assembly. And now you're gonna see me how I push the one of the pistons. What I want to say is like, yes, now you see me with the piston, so do not use that stuff, that piston ring compressor. That's, in my opinion, it's not a good stuff. Use a 84mm sleeve dedicated for M57, because that stuff might cause you trouble. It's not that smooth. Not all the pistons they went like that, so this one is okay, the other one is gonna be okay. But I remember that I had one or two that they stopped, and if you push too hard you might break the piston rings. And yeah, don't use that stuff, in my opinion. Just buy a 84mm sleeve, special made for M57. Now this is the specs for tightening the piston caps. Journals is 5 Newton meters, 20 Newton meters, and then 70 degrees. These are the new bolts. Always use the new bolts. I have a print. Look, this is the part number for the new bolts on the piston journals caps. You need to replace them. They are not so expensive. You can buy them from BMW with no problem. These ones are not so expensive. And at least, you know, you have a good stuff, because they are torque to yield. And if one of them is breaking or is snapping in 1 year, 1 month, 2 years, you know, no more engine. So yeah, don't buy this stuff like this piston ring compressor, because it's creepy. Don't, just buy what I said, a good stuff. Now, when you push the piston, be careful to move the journals of the crankshaft away, because you might hit with the piston the journals. So all the time rotate the crankshaft journal as far as possible, so the piston is not going to hit the crankshaft journal. And always watch the orientation of the piston, as these ones I didn't found a mark that would say that this part goes to the front of the engine of the piston, because you can twist it to the other side. So this is the specs. Replace the bolts, oil the bolts, 5 Newton meters, then 20 Newton meters, and then 70 degrees. Now, if you don't have the torque angle gauge, or I don't know how you call that stuff, if you don't have it, it's kind of tricky, because you need 70 degrees. 90 degrees, it's easy. It's like watching a watch. From 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock, you have 90 degrees. 70 degrees, I think, would be like from 12 o'clock up to 2 o'clock. I would say so, if you don't have this stuff. So kind of like from 12 o'clock up to 2 o'clock would be 70 degrees. And yeah, this was the process of the pistons. Thank you.